Food price inflation has hit a new high. Anybody who goes into a supermarket will be aware that prices are going up on a weekly basis at this stage. And over the last year, butter prices are up nearly 30%. Meat is up 22%, for example, and steak in particular is vastly more expensive than it was last year, according to new figures from the Central Statistics Office. It's up about €5 a kilo. Now, who's responsible for this? Well, the farmers say they're having to charge more for stuff that leaves the farmer's gate because of high costs and regulatory requirements. And now the latest is that supermarkets deny that they've been price gouging. They were accused in the Dáil this week of price gouging by overcharging consumers. But they say that their profit margins are low and that they try to be as competitive as possible in a very competitive market. And essentially they're having to take prices which are dictated to them by processors and food suppliers. Whoever is responsible for it, food prices are rocketing and are going to continue to do so by the looks of it, because all the indications are, when it comes to farm gate prices, that prices are continuing to rise. So at least the Competition and Consumer Protection Commission is going to again look at food prices. So we may get some clarity on why prices are rising to such an extent and stretching budgets hugely.